Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to V11 TV. Recently I implemented table partitioning from archiving from live table to archive tables and also deleting archive data if it is more than desired dates. So my next video I will explain step by step how do I do that and how easy we can automate this process. If we see that my table partitions I divided every 2 weeks, so my table gets divided partition by every 2 weeks based on the date. So if you see that my boundary values 31st for 14 to date, so these are every 2 weeks. The same schema I used for my archive also. So total I created boundaries for 7 boundaries starting from 31st. So let's try with this. This is the stored procedure I created to. It is a initial time. Suppose if you don't have any partitions, it automatically partitions this with this boundary with this range. And if you pass the data and boundary value, it will automatically move to that archives. So right now I have the order table. So for imagine that is the live tables. This is the archive table. So let's try with the state. So as per the row, as per the logic, if this data, if any data is less than or less than equal to 2 weeks from the state, if any data is less than 2 weeks, it will get automatically moved into the uh, archive table. So let's try with this one now. So let's see that how it is. So is any movement has happened or not? So it doesn't happen because there is no data from less than of 2 weeks from the state. Let's try with another date, another partition value. So there is no data more than 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks from the state. Let's try this third one. So let's yeah, if you see that I send a 28th, so this date I passed this stored procedure. If you see that from this date, from I mean starting this date, since the starting this means this the boundary value is going to be this, and the so from this date less than or of 2 weeks means this date will come to 31st. For checking purpose, select date. If you see that date add, 2 weeks minus 2 of this date. So we are going to get this date. So this is the starting date. So we are going to get rid of archive less than or of from this date. From this less than of this state, that is this state. So it's going to move archive less than or of less than of this state, like means this is a boundary value of 31st. So it is, if we see that it's get moved into that archive table, so the rows is now shows 0, and our archive table showing 6 rows as 64. So now try with 13. So as per the logic, the rows of 52 gets moved into the uh, archive table of rows of 9. Okay, so let's try this. set get archived of 14. So this logic also supports, suppose if you give um, data of sixth row partition, so it automatically moves this to, because it is the less than or of 2 weeks less than whatever the data is less than or equal from 2 weeks less than data, this row should get moved into the archive. Let's try that. See that, so you can see that the all rows of 4 3 will get moved into the archive table. I hope you enjoyed this video. So in my coming video I will show you how we can implement this kind of partitions, and also automation of partitions in SQL Server in easy steps. So these are my stored procedures. So So this processor will automatically, initial time it will automatically partitions based on our desired partitions, as well as so it will archive uh, based on boundary values. Thank you guys. Please keep watch my videos, and I will explain in detail about how to switch, and how to match, and how to create schema, how to create functions, and how we can dynamically create partitions. Uh, so all these details I will show in my coming video. Please keep watch my videos. Thank you guys.